Guys, I hope all of you doing well. So first of all, subscribe our channel Tech with Exchanger. So let's start. Today our topic is V module. V module also referred to as the verification and validation module. In this, each phase of SDLC must complete before the next phases start. It follow a sequential design process same as the waterfall module. Testing of the device is planned in parallel with the corresponding stages of development. So here we discuss about the module. First of all, title is view module, and here is developer life cycle, and here is tester life cycle. So first point is that business request specification, and in other acceptance testing, then system REQ specification, then system integration testing, high level design, component testing, then here is level design and unit testing. Here is a verification of phases, here is a validation of phases. So this is in the last coding, and then start this process in these phases. So here is developer life cycle, here is tester life cycle, in which verification phases involved included, in which validation phases involved and included, or here is coding main purpose for this V module. So next is verification. What is verification in this V module? Verification it is involved a static analysis method review done without executing code. It is the process of evolution of the product development process to find whether specified requirements meet. So next is validation. What is validation? It involves dynamic analysis method, functional, non-functional. Testing is done by execute code. Validation is the process of classify the software, but the completion of development process to determine the whether the software meet to the customer expectations and requirements. So V module contain verification phases on one side of the validation phase on the other side. So verification and validation process is joined by coding phase in V shaped, so it is known as V development. So there is a few steps which we discussed. There are various phases of verification phase of V module. So first one is that business requirement analysis. This is the first step where product requirement understood from the customer side. This phase contains detailed communication to understand customer expectation and exact requirements. So second is also most important phase in the view module, systems design. In this stage, system engineers analyzes and interpret the business of the purpose system by studying the user requirement documents. So next third one is architecture design. The baseline is selecting the architecture is that it should understand all, which typically consists of the list of module, brief functionality of each module, their interface relationship, dependency database, tables, architecture diagrams, technology details, etc. The integration testing module is carried out in a particular phase. So module designer, in the module design phase, the team break down into small module. The detailed design of the module is specified, which is known low level design. So next is coding phase. What is coding phase? After designing, the coding phase is started based on the requirement. A suitable programming language is decided. So there are some guidelines and understand for coding. So before checking in the repository, the final build optimized for better performance, and the code goes through many code reviews to check the performance. So here we discuss about the view module.